Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to customize a template in Google Vids. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Vids from Google Chrome browser. Click to Google Apps and then click to Vids. Now you can select any option from here to open your project, or you can also select to blank vid. After that, scroll down right menu and then you can see the template. Click here and here you can see a huge collection of template is available. From here you can select any one that you need. I want to customize this one. Just click here and then click to insert all scenes. Now it's time to customize the whole template. First of all, you can change the name, and then you can also change all the videos and images. Click to second clip, and now if you want to change this image, click to this image and then you can see the replace image. Click here. You can upload from your computer and you can also generate an image using AI. Also you can use from stock or web, and also from your driver. I want to add from computer. Click to upload and then click to third clips, and now you can change the videos. So again click to replace videos, and also click to replace video and upload video. Now you can select any videos from your computer or from your device. Here you can see the name. Also you need change the name and decrease the video size or reduce the video duration. And then again click to fourth template, and you can change this video again by this process. And also click the last one and click this one. Here you can see change this name again. After completing all the customization, you need download or export this video. For that, click to file and click to download as a mp4 file. Also you can download from share button. Click to arrow button and then you can see the export to drive, export to YouTube, download as mp4. You can select anyone from here. So I think this video will help you to understand how to customize a Google Vids template. If you think this is helpful, you can share, like and subscribe our channel. You can also follow this page from Facebook. See you in the next video. Bye.